Most people fail with AI every time. They don't know what to ask. They type vague prompts and hope. That rarely leads to useful results. Imagine opening ChatGPT and getting nothing. I wasted hours on bad prompts. Answers were generic, useless, and slow. The difference is structure, not luck. A multi-system prompt book changes that. Listen, this is practical, not magic. Here's what it does for you. Think of it like a blueprint. It gives systems, not random prompts. Each system is a sequence for one outcome. It helps you find demand, validate offers, and build revenue. Step 1 is finding ideas that sell. The prompt book gives specific discovery prompts. For example, ask it to list underserved niches with high demand. It finds problems people already pay to solve. In minutes, you go from blank to options. You're not chasing fads, but chasing real demand instead. Step 2 is validation, and most people skip it. Validating saves you time, money, and headaches. The book has validation prompts and checks. Example prompts analyze competition, pricing, and demand. Estimate profitability and spot entry barriers fast. Now decisions are data-driven, not wishful thinking. Step 3 is building the hustle. It gives you execution prompts for every step. Create the offer, write the copy, launch. Example prompts, write landing pages and email sequences. Generate TikTok content ideas and ad scripts quickly. Automate parts of the biz with plug-and-play prompts. Treat the book like a coach on demand. It removes friction and indecision. You always know the next step. You don't waste time guessing or rewriting. Execution wins over ideas every single time. Here's the real truth. AI isn't magic. Prompts are the tool. When I started, I burned hours on fluff. 2 things changed everything for me. First, structure and clear systems for each step. Second, repeatable prompts that get results. You follow the steps, and the AI executes. No more wild guessing or endless editing. If you execute, you can start earning fast. Some people make their first sale in days. Others reach consistent income in weeks. Results depend on effort, not luck. Want specific hustles to try? I can break down 5 real options next. Drop a comment with 1, 2, or 3. Tell me your time commitment and budget too. If you want a template, I'll share it. That template will include prompts for every step. Use it to test one idea this week. Execute for 7 days straight. You'll learn faster than watching tutorials. People overcomplicate AI. Don't be that person. Start small, ship fast, and iterate quickly. This is not a silver bullet. It is a system and a tool. You still need to do the work, but the book removes the guesswork. If you're serious, this is the shortcut. I wish I had it sooner. Want me to break down specific hustles next? Comment below and tell me what you want. If this helped, like and subscribe. Okay, go pick an idea and start. Stop asking what to do next. Now you have a system. Use it and start making money. Pick 1 or 2 ideas and test fast. Validate, price, launch, and track results for a month. Expect your first sale in 3 to 14 days. Expect consistent income in 4 to 12 weeks. Numbers vary, but this is realistic. Prompt examples you can copy word for word. Find underserved niches with high demand and low competition.